Oh man, this joint right here remind me of back in the day. Like ran out of the corner store, quarter waters and chips. From the coldest of winter, summer, spring, and falls, an evolution of growth. Gotta answer when it calls, no destination's final. Keep spinning like vinyl, immortalized past the demise, become idle. Remember me, young, low-key, fresh Caesar, bilingual, Liz Claiborne, Adidas. My moms had the flower shop, I made deliveries, a complicated lifestyle. They still felt the energy, backed them up like war bounds. I ran all grounds, from the Arc in Brooklyn to Jimmy's uptown. In the Bronx with Joe and Dave, two of my faves. Rest in paradise, DC, forever be praised. Wish you was here, John and Ty Boogie. We made it to Netflix, Joy Road, the movie. I'm out here moving, keeping you in my thoughts. I know you out here with me, feeling your force.
The times, growing up in the hood. The times, they still feel good. Family and friends, I'm with you to the end. The times, my blessings we send. The times, I could never forget. We had each other's back, not fake or counterfeit. At the times, we lost some loved ones to the streets, to this life.
As I right my wrongs, keep a grip on life. I got friends doing 10, leaving kids with no wife. Everybody suffers with no family structure. The matriarch of the house is mostly grandmothers. From holidays to birthdays, Papa came around. Regardless, after romance in the town, from the basics to the matrix, trying to keep up with the latest. The way we birth haters, we live for dead faces. Not the way intended, but I guess by design. To keep us in the bubble, this huddle is our time. Wish you was here, John and Ty Boogie. We made it to Netflix, Joy Road, the movie. I'm out here moving, keeping you in my thoughts. I know you out here with me, feeling your force. I'm out here moving, keeping you in my thoughts. I know you out here with me, feeling your force.
The times, growing up in the hood. The times, they still feel good. Family and friends, I'm with you to the end. The times, my blessings we send.